Hey everyone, want to automate repetitive tasks without writing any code? In this video, I'll show you how to create a Zap in Zapier so you can connect your favorite apps and automate your workflow in just a few minutes. First, sign in to your Zapier account. Once you're on the dashboard, click the Create button and choose Zap to start building a new automation. Next, choose your trigger app. This is the app where your automation begins. Then select a trigger event, such as receiving a new email, submitting a form, or adding a new spreadsheet row. Now connect your trigger app by signing in if required. After that, test the trigger to make sure Zapier can access your data successfully. Once the trigger is working, choose an action app. This is the app where Zapier will perform a task automatically. Select the action you want, then connect the account and map the required fields. Finally, test the action to confirm everything works correctly. So if the test is successful, give your Zap a name and turn it on to activate your automation. And that's it. Yeah, you've successfully created your first Zap in Zapier. Your apps will now work together automatically, helping you save time and reduce repetitive work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.